Hey everyone, I am back just briefly from my little break. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna come back maybe like the second or third week of August, so stay tuned for that. But I couldn't let July end without showing my Sips by box for this month. So let's go ahead and see what we got. If you don't mind, if you haven't already, if you could subscribe and possibly like this video, that would really help me out. And check it out, my friend came over last night and put these like sparkly tinsels in my hair. We're going to the Renaissance Fair this weekend, so I wanted to be a little extra special. We're all dressing as witches, but like different kinds of witches. For me, like I'm a garden witch, so I'm gonna have like a big floral hat, and yeah, just added a little magic into my hair for the event. It's kind of fun having like just my natural hair for quite a while now, like having a little something something. If you have followed me for a long time, you've seen I used to have like rainbows in my hair basically. So a lot of fun. I'm enjoying my break. I do miss making videos. I'm excited to come back, and stay tuned for that sometime in August. But let's just get to it, see what we got in this Sips by box. July teas made for Dana. I'll put this to the side. We always get these guys, these disposable tea bags in a reusable tea bag. I save these for when I'm traveling. And of course the tea. This one is gunpowder black tea. I don't normally love a straight black tea, but I do like gunpowder green tea, so who knows? Maybe I will really like this one. And this is from the brand Made of Tea. Ooh, this one is just a Sips by their own brand, and it's Earl Grey, but it's an oolong Earl Grey. Not crazy about Earl Grey, but I do love oolong, so we'll see how I feel about this one. There's a couple Earl Greys that I like, so maybe this will be one of them. Ooh, I had a Sleepy Time tea by this brand before, Crooked Crows. Love Thyself herbal tea blend. Thyself, it sounds like we're at the Renaissance Fair or something. And it has jasmine, elderflower, holy basil, ashwagandha, spearmint, passion flower, powdered coconut, and red rooibos tea. I've never had ashwagandha before, and I've always wanted to try it, so that sounds good. Ooh, and this is definitely interesting. 3 Leaf is the brand, and it's birthday cake matcha, sweet, creamy, and balanced. Wow. I don't always love sweetened matcha, and I'm not sure if this has sweetener in it or not. I mean, flavor I can deal with, I don't mind, but if it has like any sort of sugar or stevia, I'm not sure. But I think I'll try this one today. Let's go ahead and get it going, and we'll see how it tastes. Okay, let's see how our birthday cake matcha is. Oh, cool. Okay, so it doesn't taste sweetened. It tastes like flavored, but not overly sweet. This is really good. I think this is my favorite flavored matcha I've ever had, because I don't think I've ever had a flavored matcha that wasn't also sweetened. Like, looking at the information on the postcard here, it does say that it's just Japanese matcha, which all matcha is Japanese. That's where they make matcha and where they grow the tea leaves for the matcha. But it's just Japanese matcha, natural flavor. So I really like that because it gives you the option then. If you try this and you're like, ooh, I want this as a latte, or I want this as a sweet tea or a sweetened iced tea, you can always make it that way. But whenever I've had flavored matchas that include stevia or some kind of sweetening agent, it's always just too much for me, too sweet for me, because I drink like a shot of matcha every morning, like just straight plain matcha. So for me, like I'm really used to that like green, grassy, straight up savory taste. So when you put sugar in it, it's weird to me. And with this, like honestly, I don't taste the matcha that much. I do get like that. I mean, I guess I get like the undertone of the matcha. Like it's mostly cake flavored, which is really fun and it's delicious. But then like it has that undertone of like, it's like a matcha dessert, but not crazy sweet. Like it has natural sweetness, like the flavor brings up the feeling of sweetness, but it doesn't have like that powerful crazy sugar that so many of these flavored matchas have. So I really like this by 3 Leaf Tea. I'd be really curious to see what else they have that's flavored but not sweetened. And of course it is great whenever I can like squeeze in a little extra matcha to my day. So that is it. I liked this tea a lot. It smells really mapley. Before I made it, I was like, oh, I don't know, is it gonna read birthday cake? But it definitely does in a way I really appreciate. Like, it's a lot like David's tea had a birthday cake tea. Theirs was sweeter than this though, but it really gives all that flavor with the matcha base, which I love. So maybe I can make this like my afternoon treat where I'll make like birthday cake matcha later in the day. It'll satisfy sort of that sweet craving without any sugar at all, and also help me get in a second matcha later on in my day, which is great because we know here matcha is full of antioxidants and chlorophyll and benefits that if you could drink it every day, you definitely should. So you might want to check this one out. But anyway, I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. I hope you're having a really fun summer like I am, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.